here's the 55 all the way to March. I think we've had it 2 years. Yeah, right at 2 years. I think January was. I haven't done a video in months. I've been busy. My boy's playing golf, and I'm the coach of the team. But just got the trim on. We've still got to get a new one of these, but luckily it's just the fin piece right there. The rest of it did good. Like I said, Dad painted this one. And he put all the windows in. Ain't no sweat thief, I got me. These were a little bit of a pain. We still got to get a front bumper and a back bumper. And of course interior. I'll open the door in a minute. But it's certainly not the old red primer looking car anymore. I really like the white too. I know, we've got a black one and everybody likes a red one, but gotta have love for the white too. Especially if we do red interior with the white. Open the door. We're gonna have to get some the door molding. Ordered 2 different kinds and neither one of them would fit. It's just too thick. So on the black 55, we ordered a whole kit from Mutton Hollow, but we don't need the whole kit. So I emailed him the other day. I got to check my emails. I think he sent me one that's just for the doors because that's all we need. All the glass. That tinted glass looks so good. And I'm assuming they still don't even make these new. I didn't look again. I know they didn't when the black 55 we done it. Either way, just polished it as good as we can. It's fine. Pop the hood. Boy, white just looks so good. Plus, if there was any issues, it hides it. Just loom some of the wires and do some stuff. I did pretty good on hiding them though, like running it in there through the inner fender and then coming out right there. So I'm gonna have all the wires hit on this one, whereas on the Camaro I didn't do it as well. Because even that wire there is just to our fans. Like we won't even have it there once I get it hooked to the sensor and all. So this is the one we traded for the 63 Nova. Like I said, that's still an older one. We haven't really cleaned it up yet. It'll clean up a lot better. I haven't done it yet. Some of this stuff's just so high to buy. And then if you do buy it, then this old piece just sits and never gets used. And that's kind of sad. How much do you think we're into this car for? It's hard to say with the 63 Nova because we just traded for it. Yeah, maybe 30,000 into the car, and that, that's the motor, the radiator. Which again, the black car was the donor for all that, but you still got to include that in the price because then we had to buy some for the black car. Yeah, it's turned out nice. It's geared really low. What is it, like 411s? 411s, yeah. I got to finish hooking up the vintage air, which that won't be no problem. Problem is I hadn't finished wiring up the 69 Camaro. I just did the gauges on the day. It's hard to find the time. And here in a minute, it's already really warm today. The grass is going to be growing. Then we'll be cutting grass all the time. Excuse me. But there we go. It looks good. I think in the other old videos, I probably said that I rewired it with the American Autowire. Then it's got the Blueprint 400 in it, the March front kit. What is this? It's a PRC radiator. I know it comes from the Tri-5 guys. We had some parts left over just from doing another 55. Like I said, Dad painted it. down here. What is this, 5 minutes? I'll walk down here to the shop. Yep. Saying there's stuff to work on. Bought an aerator. Gotta fix it. Here's the Camaro. I won't do just a second on it. Like I said, I gotta get it finished wiring. Still working on the 85. I don't think we've touched it. The black car's running good. The Camaro's running good. We'll have our first car show tomorrow to go to. But I'm gonna get this one wired up to at least, you know, I won't do the vintage air yet, but at least get it where we can drive it to our church car show in a month. Yeah, I've already wired the gauges. They're right here. I just gotta hook them up. The nose. At least, like I said, get it where we can fire it up instead of having to run a hot wire like we did. But all right, well, there's an update video since I haven't done one forever and a day. We hope this insulation stuff works. We bought it on Amazon. It was cheap. Come in little square pieces. We'll find out. I think it's better than that rattle trap, though. We still use some of it in some spots, but this stuff's thick. It's got to be a little quieter. All right.